Hello, it's Andrew from Webbers, and just look behind me, we've got this fantastic property, a spacious 4 to 5 bedrooms house with a building plot in the very popular village of Coads Green. Just look at this lovely level garden behind me. So let's go and have a look at a little bit more about what this home has to offer. For more information on this lovely home, please contact us today on 01566 776 211.